your cake. Learn with AnybodyCanBake.
Our today's recipe is mango cobbler. For that we need 150 gram chopped mangoes. For this recipe I have used these safeda mango, which is very popular in northern side of India. If you are in the southern parts of India, then this is also known as badami. However, you can use any mango, but make sure that it has more pulp. Okay, so that will make the cobbler delicious and juicy. So here I have taken 150 gram chopped mango, 20 gram powdered sugar and 1 tablespoon corn flour. As a first step, we are going to mix all these 3 ingredients and then we'll keep aside. Then we will prepare the batter, and final step will be assembling of all these ingredients. So let's mix these. So in this chopped mango, I'm going to add powdered sugar. Okay, the amount of sugar you can adjust according to the sweetness of the mango you are using. Because the mango I am using is really sweet, so I have added only 20 gram of powdered sugar. Cornflour. So while baking, mango will release water. So this cornflour will help to bind it. So don't skip adding this. In case you don't have cornflour, you can use rice flour in the same amount. Okay, so the mixture is ready. Now let's start preparing the batter. To prepare the batter, take a bowl. Because I am preparing 2 small portions of this recipe using 3 inches ramekins, so I am making small portion. But if you want to make more, then you can double the recipe or triple the recipe as well. The ingredients amount is given accordingly. First, add 2 tablespoons oil. I am using sunflower oil. To this, add 25 gram powdered sugar. You can use regular sugar as well, but adding powdered sugar will help to fasten the process. Just whisk it, because we have used powdered sugar, so the process is really quick. Okay, so these are mixed. To enhance the flavor, I am going to add 2 drops of this vanilla extract. This is totally optional. If you don't have vanilla, you can use any other flavor that goes in sync with mango. Okay, in addition to these ingredients, here I am adding 40 gram all-purpose flour, which is maida, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and mix. We will start adding milk little by little. We need thick paste. So the amount of milk can be according to that. There is no need of sieving all the dry ingredients, because we are not making a cake, we are making cobbler. So the upper crust should be thick and crusty. Okay, so the paste is ready. In total I have added 50 ml milk. Now comes the assembling part. For assembling, here I am using these 2 small ramekins. In case you don't have ramekins, you can bake this in small muffin molds. As a first step, we are going to add the prepared mango mixture to each of the ramekin. While chopping the mango, keep some pieces of large size because while baking, these will add the bite. Okay, so we have divided the prepared mango mixture into two. Now cover it with the prepared paste or batter. Don't mix it, just top it with batter. Let me wipe this, otherwise during baking it can burn. Okay, so now these two are ready for the baking. Now I'm going to bake these in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. Let's bake it. So after 15 minutes of baking, our mango cobbler is out from the oven. Look at the smooth crust, and it has cooked mango pulp underneath. Let's check the texture. Look at it. Isn't it looking amazing? Now try this recipe and share your feedback with me. This stays good up to 2 days if you are storing it in refrigerator. Don't leave it on counter because it has fresh fruit in it, so that can go bad. See you next week with another amazing recipe. Till then, take care. Happy baking.
Run home your cake. Learn with anybody can bake.